Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient background. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Right click over here and select, here you can select black video, new item, black video. Click OK, grab and drag it onto the timeline. Here in the timeline, you have this black video. And what you can do here is now to go to effects and here write ramp and grab this and drag it onto your video. And now we have a very basic gradient. But to change this, you can go here to ramp, expand ramp. If you can't find effects control, if you can't find it here in edit, go to window and then here click effects control or shift 5. I actually struggle a little bit when I was trying to find this effects control, so it's quite simple. Just click on effects control. But yeah, now here start color. I would like to add some this color, and then at the end I would like to add this color like this. And end of the ramp, you can play with this and play with this. Ramp shape, you can change from linear to radial ramp, which is like this now. Is more of like a circle. You can also change blend with original, ramp, scatter, start ramp. All right, and what I like is that you can also keyframe this, so I can if it's like this maybe, or let's say like this, and then right over here I will add a keyframe, and here I will enter 0, and then here 0. And now I'll move a couple for keyframes ahead, and now here I will go to this number and I'll add a keyframe here. And now we have this really simple. Now if you want to be fast, just drag over here, just move the keyframe. Now this is much faster, and we already have the keyframe, so we can just change the color so this won't affect our keyframe. And you can highlight both of the keyframes, and you can add some ease in and ease out. If you can expand this, also you have these keyframes. You can see the graphic here, which is pretty cool because I really struggled to find where are the keyframes, the graphs. I knew exactly, guys, worked more on DaVinci Resolve, and I couldn't find the graphs, but they're basically right over here. If you just have to expand, you add a keyframe, but if you expand, you can find here. And if you can control plus, I think, or no, just plus, you zoom in, and you can also play with the keyframes, right? So, oops. Now if I hold control, can move this quite simply, and it looks pretty good. So that's how you create a gradient. Just remember to find to use ramp, and if you can find effects here, same, go to window and here effects or shift 7. Actually I'm going to use shift 7, and you add with this shortcut, we add effects. So if you have any further question, or you're curious to learn about specifically about something but you don't know how, just leave related to Adobe Premiere Pro, make sure you leave a comments down below and I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.